Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Ron at SceneGrinder, and in today's video I want to talk a little bit more about creating scenes, and specifically I want to talk about how you can quickly create a scene on the fly. But before I do that, I just want to talk a little bit about when you're doing scenes, you can make them complex and extremely detailed if you want to, but as you'll see in this video, it's also easy to really quickly put together a cool looking scene for your players to experience. So if you're in that situation where you've got everything planned in your campaign and you know exactly where the players are going to go and you've got these awesome scenes for them to see, and then your players make a left turn and all of a sudden they're hitting that village that you didn't expect them to get to for 2 months. Well, this video will show you how you can really quickly create that village in just a few minutes. So, all right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, and I've got my blank screen here, is I'm going to change from this default green and go with, let's go with forest green today. I like that one a lot better. All right, so now I will click on the map, make my painting tool rectangle very large, and as you can see, I can very quickly paint the entire map as forest, the forest layer. So this will be step one. I'm going to change the scale a bit on that to make it look a little bit larger. All right, and let me go ahead and add another layer. So it's a town, so I'm going to want kind of a dirty area where all the buildings are going to be located. So I will select some dirt, and then I'll go back over here and make my painting tool just a little bit smaller. And I'll be putting the buildings on this side of the map, so I'll go ahead and put some dirt over there. Next, I'm going to have a road and a path leading up to that town and going through the town. So I'll select some stone. Again, make my painting tool smaller for this one. And this will just be the road leading into the town. There you go. And I'll have it go off both to the right and to the left here. All right, so that's the basic terrain. So let's go ahead and get some stuff on the town. So I'll go to my model selection tool. And starting over here on the right-hand side, I want to throw a stable down first. Okay. Next, I want to throw a tavern in the town, because you got to have a tavern if you got a town. And I'm going to take this and spin it around just a little bit. There we go. And let's go ahead and put a marketplace down. I'll put that over here. And I will spin that as well. There you go. And now let's get a couple houses in there. Okay, I'll select my house. And let's see, I'll put a house here. I'll copy that real quick. And put another one over here. And let's put one more over here. I'll throw another one here on the road. And last, let me go ahead and put a blacksmith in the town. There you have it. You got the blacksmith shop. And let's put a few trees down. And I like maple trees. We got a few different varieties of them. So I'll go ahead and start with red. Put one down. And go ahead and copy that. Just kind of spread out the maple trees a little bit. And let's go ahead and choose another color to give it some color on the scene. And I'll go with a yellowish one here. And again, I'll copy it, spread it around a bit. And last thing on the town, every town has to have a watchtower. So let me go ahead and grab one of those. And let's see which one I like. I'll go with this one. Make it a little bit larger. And let's go ahead and put it on the other side of the road there, away from that tree. And there you have it. So a town for your players to experience in 5 minutes or less. Okay, I just realized I'm well under the 5 minute mark for this video. So let me just go ahead and show you really quickly how this looks from a player's perspective. So right now I've added a character model and I'm looking through the world in first person point of view. And I think you'll see exactly how much fun this will be for your players walking around in a 3D world that you can quickly create. All right, that's going to call it for this video. Thanks everybody and happy gaming.